Good morning. Sylvia and I decided that we would take a nice Sunday drive somewhere close to our B&B, and this place we've never been before. So we decided to go to the Cascate Fiume Topino, which is a waterfall system on a river that is about 37 minutes from our place. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, on a beautiful mid-December day, the drive down was unbelievable. There was snow on top of all of the Apennine Mountains. The river is absolutely smacked full of water because of all the rain we've had. And it's a great day. Another beautiful place to go near our B&B. So, definitely great.